Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Dillon Powder Measure is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious handloader, offering unparalleled precision and consistency that can make or break the accuracy of your reloaded ammunition, ensuring that every round you fire performs exactly as intended, which is crucial for competitive shooting, hunting, or simply achieving the best possible results from your firearm. Number 5. Armanov Quick Disconnect for Dillon Powder Measure. Introducing the Armanov Quick Disconnect, designed for your Dillon Powder Measure. Installation is incredibly simple, getting you set up in no time. This innovative accessory is compatible with popular models like the RL 550, XL 650, and Super 1050. It ensures a perfect fit for your reloading setup. Featuring 2 internal springs, it allows for rapid changes of the powder bar. Switch between toolhead seamlessly and efficiently. No more struggling with complicated setups. This quick disconnect streamlines your reloading process, saving you valuable time and effort. Upgrade your Dillon reloading press with this essential tool. Experience the convenience and speed it brings to your powder dispensing tasks. What we like. This accessory makes switching powder bars incredibly fast and easy. If you frequently change powder types or loads, this will save you significant time. Its simple installation means you can get back to reloading in minutes. What people say. The Dillon Powder Measure is very accurate and consistent. It is easy to set up and use, even for beginners. The large capacity hopper holds plenty of powder for most reloading tasks. Number 4. Dillon Powder Measure Knobs, 5-pack. Introducing the Dillon Powder Measure Knobs, a convenient 5-pack designed to enhance your reloading experience. These knobs are engineered for precision and ease of use. They are designed to fit all Dillon precision powder measures seamlessly. You can upgrade your existing equipment without any hassle. Featuring clear, plus, and dash markings, you'll always know which way to turn for accurate adjustments. This ensures you maintain the correct powder charge every time. Installation is a breeze as they fit tightly over your existing adjustment bolt. No modifications are needed, making the upgrade quick and straightforward. These knobs are proudly 3D printed in Kentucky, USA, using high-quality, domestically sourced filament. Support American manufacturing with this durable accessory. What we like. These knobs offer a convenient way to adjust your powder measure with clear directional markings. If you value precision and ease of use, these are a great upgrade. They fit snugly without any hassle, ensuring a secure and reliable adjustment every time. What people say. The Dillon Powder Measure is very accurate and consistent. It is easy to adjust and set up for different loads. The large capacity hopper holds plenty of powder for extended reloading sessions. Number 3. Armanov Powder Funnel for Dillon Powder Measure. Introducing the Armanov Powder Funnel, an essential tool for your reloading needs. It simplifies the process of loading specific calibers. This funnel is specifically designed for reloading 300 AAC blackout. It's a crucial component when using your Dillon 223 conversion kit. Enjoy the convenience of easy swapping with this accessory. It integrates seamlessly into your existing reloading setup. It fits all Dillon powder measures, including popular models like the XL 650, RL 550, 1050, and Square Deal. Upgrade your reloading experience with this high-quality powder funnel. It ensures precision and efficiency for your ammunition. What we like. This funnel is specifically designed for reloading .300 AAC blackout and 7.62 by 39 with Dillon conversion kits. If you're loading these popular calibers, this ensures a smooth and efficient powder drop. It's an essential tool for accurate and hassle-free reloading of these rounds. What people say. The Dillon Powder Measure is very accurate and consistent. It is easy to adjust and set up for different loads. The large capacity hopper holds plenty of powder for extended reloading sessions. Number 2. Dillon Precision Powder Check Die System. Introducing the Dillon Precision Powder Check Die System. This essential tool is designed to safeguard your reloading process. It meticulously probes each case, ensuring that no accidental double powder charges occur. This feature is crucial for safe and consistent ammunition. This system is specifically designed for Dillon XL7 5650 and RL 1100 Super 1050 reloading machines. It integrates seamlessly for your convenience. With this system, you can reload with confidence. It provides an extra layer of security against common reloading errors. Trust Dillon Precision for reliable and accurate reloading components. This powder check system upholds our commitment to quality and safety. What we like. This system provides an extra layer of safety by checking every case for double powder charges. If you prioritize safety and want to prevent potentially dangerous overcharges, this is a must-have. It offers peace of mind during your reloading process. What people say. The Dillon Powder Measure is a great addition to my reloading bench. It is very accurate and consistent, which is essential for safe and reliable ammunition. I love the large capacity hopper on this powder measure. It holds enough powder to reload a large batch of cartridges without needing frequent refills. The adjustment mechanism is smooth and easy to use. I can quickly change powder charges with confidence that the setting will remain accurate. Number 1. Dillon Precision 22058 Deluxe Quick Change Assembly. Enhance your reloading experience with the Dillon Precision 22058 Deluxe Quick Change Assembly. This accessory is designed to fit your RL 550B powder drop, making adjustments faster and easier. Tired of fumbling with your powder drop? This quick change assembly allows for seamless transitions between different powder measures. Spend less time tinkering and more time reloading. Achieve greater precision and speed in your reloading process. The Deluxe design ensures a secure fit and reliable performance every time you use it. Built with Dillon Precision's renowned quality, this assembly is made to last. Its durable construction guarantees consistent results for countless reloading sessions. Specifically engineered for the RL 550B, this quick change assembly integrates perfectly with your existing setup. It's the ideal upgrade for any serious reloader. What we like. This Deluxe assembly is designed for quick changes on your RL 550B powder drop. If you need to rapidly switch between different powder dispensing setups, this will streamline your workflow. It's a high-quality component for users of that specific machine. What people say. The Dillon Powder Measure is very accurate and consistent. It is easy to adjust and set up for different powder types. The large capacity hopper holds plenty of powder for extended reloading sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.